Two spheres A and B of masses m1 and m2 respectively collide. Okay, m1 A is at rest initially, and m2, which is B, is moving velocity y along x axis. Okay, so this is m2, this is m1, and this is moving with a velocity y along the x-axis. Okay, after collision, B has, okay, so this is B and this is A. After collision, B has a velocity v by 2 in a direction perpendicular to the original direction. After collision, it is moving in this direction with a velocity v by 2. This is m2. The mass A moves after the collision in the direction. Okay, so now mass A, which is m1. So let m1 have velocity in x direction as vx, and in y direction let it be vy. So therefore we have conservation of momentum. Okay, momentum conservation in x direction. So initial momentum in x direction should be equal to final momentum in x direction. So initial momentum in x direction was m2y. Final momentum in x direction, it's going to be m1 into vx. So therefore vx is equal to m2 by m1 into y. Done. Now in y direction, the velocity, okay, so in y direction, p initial in y direction should be equal to p final in y direction. This was 0, so final in y direction is going to be m2 v by 2 plus m1 into ay, sorry, vy. So therefore vy becomes minus m2 by m1 v by 2. Okay, now the mass A moves after the collision in the direction. It's not going to be same as that of B, no, because B is moving in y direction and A has a velocity in x direction also. It's not opposite to that of B also, because yes, it is having a velocity in x direction. So therefore theta equals tan inverse half to the x-axis. That means in this direction. Now if you see, this velocity has come to be negative. Okay, so since it is negative, so therefore that means the velocity is actually in this direction. So the net velocity is going to be like this. So not this also, yes, this should be correct. Now here it's mentioned velocity v by 2. I feel it should not be v by 2, it should be y by 2. Then we can get the exact angle also. Okay, so let it be y by 2. So therefore this is this. So therefore tan theta, this is theta, this is going to be v by y vx, which is minus 1 by 2. So therefore theta is tan inverse minus half to the horizontal x axis. Thank you.